Welcome back. Today I would like to go over Customer Master in S4. So in ECC, you have many transactions like FD01, FD02, FD03, XK01, XK02, and so on. So all these transactions are now removed, and only one transaction code is replaced in SAP, which is BP transaction for creating your customers. So the customer roles that we talked about would look like this: general role, and then you have a finance specific role which provides the information to post into a company code. Then logistics, which is order to cash, OTC. Then you have sales area information. This is a separate role. And then you have FSCM, which is used for collection management and credit management. The role identification wise, general role, same for vendors and customer, which is BP, all zeros. And then you have FLCU00, which is for finance, company code level information. Logistics information is created using FLCU01. And within FSCM, you have collection management with UDM000 and credit management with UKM000. So this is the way the customer master roles will be there. Pretty similar to previous versions. Only thing is that now it's a role based instead of specific transaction based. So everything is created through one transaction code, which is BP. We talked about this earlier as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and try to see how to create a customer master in SAP S4 1610 version system. So here I started customer transaction. So let me again start over. So I'm entering BP, the transaction code here. So when you enter the BP transaction code, the main screen will look like that: maintain business partner here. So I'm going ahead and removing the search criteria here, and then click on the organization. By default, as I talked about, business partner general role is there. So I'm not selecting any grouping here at this point of time, but I will explain about the grouping in later sessions. So here let me enter customer. So customer for S4 demo. So at general role level, I'm not giving any other additional information here, if you carefully observe. But the moment I select this particular customer at company code level or any other levels, so then it may ask for some mandatory fields such as address and other details. Okay, so let me go ahead and save this at BP role general, and it generates a business partner number, which is like 1000171. Okay, I will use this business partner number. So now I will go ahead and extend this to company code level. So company code level FLCU01 is the one which we talked about. So when I move, the moment I switch to the company code level, so this is FLC01 is a customer, it's a sales organization level. Okay, let me just select the other one, FLC00, which is the customer, FI customer. So I'm just changing the role, and it may ask you, you're changing. Yes, I'm changing the role without saving. So the moment I select FLCU00, which is company code level, so the company code will appear here. Okay, so and also apart from the company code, so other certain tabs will be enabled at the general level also. So let's go ahead and click on that company code level here, and then I'm going to enter 1710 as a company code here, and so 1710 I enter here the company code, and then it enables the reconciliation account. let me drop down and select a reconciliation account here. So maybe let's say trade receivables, which is domestic. So I'm selecting the trade receivables here. And also, let me check whether all the fields are enabled. So the moment clear check button will tell you that like what are missing. Okay, so let me select here country US, and so the city maybe Chicago. Okay, so let's enter that way, and English is a language. That's it. For the company code, only information which is required is reconciliation account. Again, other information which we may not require to enter, but it would definitely help, such as head office, sort key, authorization group, planning group. Planning group is used for forecasting your liquidity, and other transactions like terms of payment. You can use terms of payment for invoice and create memo separately, and tolerance group, and so on and so forth. Okay, so then we can pretty much all the information which you used to create using FK01 is available at this view level. So let me go ahead and save this as well. So if you have to carefully observe here, customer number which was not there here earlier, so it came up now, so which means this business partner, which is 100171, is extended to the company code level as well. So then and also the role which is now you showing as a defined. So let me also select the customer, FI customer itself. So FLCU, your customer here, FLCU01. So then I'm changing to the customer. So now it is appearing as a new. This is a sales organization level information. So I'm clicking on the sales and distribution here. So pretty much you can give sales organization, distribution channel, and the division information like that. So you can enter all the information here, and then pretty much save this particular information. Okay, so and again it will it can enable other information, such as like at this level what information you can give, the billing related or sales organization related information you can give here. Okay, so that's what you will have the information here. And partner functions you can carefully observe, like sold to party, bill to party, and ship to party. Everything is coming here as a partner function. So the partner functions are different from the partner roles itself. Okay, so I'm going ahead and saving this customer. Okay, so now I have this information at company code level and sales organization level, and also at the general level. So that's the way you will create a customer in S4HANA. Thanks for watching this video. Please visit www.simplefinancesupport.com